Magandang araw mga kababayan. Ako po si Atty. Ian Rivera. Panahon natin ngayon ay talamak na ang mga kabataang nagkakaroon ng kasintahan. Sa pagbabago ng panahon ay unti-unting tumataas ang mga nagkakaroon ng karelasyon. Ngunit madalas natin naririnig ay hindi masaya. Ang kwento inyong mapapanood ay ang kwento ni Angelo Batulos at April Agno, dalawang masayang nag-iibigan, pag-iibigang nauwi sa kamatayan.
Oy pre, nasagutan mo ba lahat yung tanong kanina sa exam ni Sir Sarno?
Oo naman pre, sinagutan ko. Kahit nga hindi ko alam, sinagutan ko eh. Mahirap na pre.
Oo nga, mas mabuti na yung may sagot kaysa wala. Baka may tama pa dun.
Uy, friend, di ba si Angelo yun? Kaya pala gusto mong dumaan dito, ha?
Mahimik ka nga kung ano iniisip mong babae. Gusto mo sumpapin kita?
Aminin mo na kasi na gusto mo rin si Angelo, nahihiya ka lang.
Pre, di ba si April yun? Yung crush mo? Kaya pala seryoso ka sa exam kanina kasi masyado ka inspired.
Uy na, ano boses mo? Baka marinig ka.
Pero seryoso pre, ano bang balak mo? Liligawan mo ba o hindi? Sa pagkakalam ko, marami nagkakauso dyan.
Makakarating din tayo dyan pre. Ay, pwede mo po ma'am?
Oo naman.
Hindi naman pala. April, di ba? Nice to meet you.
Oo, ako nga. Nice to meet you. Bakit ka pala nandito?
Ako? Napadaan lang, tapos nakita kita mag-isa. Kaya samahan lang kita. Gusto mo bang kape?
Hindi, okay lang.
Mahal, kamusta ang araw? Ako? Okay lang. Kinaya naman.
Ako? Napakaraming quiz. Tapos may activity pang nilagdag. Nakakahiya talaga.
Okay lang yan, mahal. Nandito naman ako para umalalay sa'yo.
Napaka-corny. Takot ka nga sa tatay ko. Sumagot pa, umukong na lang tayo.
Friend, nandito lang pala kayo. Mukhang nalibot na namin yung Buy University kakahanap sa inyo.
OA mo naman, ang late nga ng eskwelahan ito.
Alam mo, kanina ka pa. Pero friend, akala ko ba hindi mo gusto si Angelo? Pero ano itong nakikita ko ngayon, may pahawak-hawak na.
Alam mo, kakarating mo lang chismis ka agad.
Napaka-choosy mo kasi. Aminin mo na kasi na gusto mo rin si Angelo.
Gusto ko naman talaga si April noon pa. Umanap lang ako ng tempo.
Gusto mo talagang puntok ng bunganga mo.
Oo nga, napakadaldal mo. Yung buwanga mo dapat pinagamit sa gera. Mukha kasi machine gun. Pre, si April oh. Kasama na naman yung gwapo niya kaklase. Alam mo pre, palaging kasama ni April yan pre. Tuwing tapos na yung kanilang klase.
Huwag lang sana akong lukuin ni April, pre. Para walang problema. At para din hindi siya magsisi.
Alam mo pre, kailangan mo nang tanongin si April dyan pre. Baka iba na ang nangyayari.
Salamat sa pagkatida. Na-enjoy talaga. Salamat.
Ano pa ba? Wala yun. Alam mo namang mahal kita.
Mahal din naman kita. Ano ka ba?
Alam ko yun. Sa ulitin, salamat ha.
Isa naman.
Sino yun? Nag-enjoy ka pala, at may iba ka na pala ngayon.
Mahal! Mahal!
Next is dress appropriately. So dapat hindi ka ako sa interview na nakasinera sa pagkakaroon ng t-shirt.
Gusto pre,
Alam mo, pre, mukhang tama ka. May ginagawang mali talaga si April.
dapat may gawin ka na dyan pre.
No, or ka na. Kasi ganaan sa paa.
Oh, mahal, lasing ka na naman. Ulit-ulit ka na bang ganyan?
Huwag mo nga akong pagsabihan sa mga gusto ko. Hindi naman ako nangyayarap sa'yo.
Ano pinagsasabi mo? Anong ibig niyo sabihin?
Alam ko may namamagitan sa inyong dalawa.
Sino? Si Raylan? Wala namang magitan sa amin.
Nagmaangangano ba talaga? Sinungaling!
April!
Nang dahil sa labis na kalasingan ay nawala sa matanong pag-iisip si Angelo. At dahil sa bukso ng damdamin dulot ng matinding selos kay Dylan ay nauwi na ito sa saksakan. Nang dahil sa matinding pagsiselos niya ay hindi niya na alam ang buong katotohanan. At ating alamin sa susunod na mangyayari at ang kakahantungan ni Angelo batay sa kanyang nagawa.
April! April! Anong nangyari sa'yo? Tulong! Tulong! April!
Tol, alam mo ba kahapon, napaganda ng babae sa bar. Napaka-sexy talaga, tol. Wala lang talaga akong sawa. Tingnan mo, tol.
Kahit naman wala o merong asawa, napakababaero mo talaga.
Parang di naman kaibigan.
Kaya nga kaibigan mo ko, kaya alam kita.
Bad trip ka talaga, tol.
Tulong! Tulong! Tulungan niyo po ang kapatid ko!
Anong nangyari sa kapatid mo?
Sinaksak po siya!
Ano? Saan? Tara, tulungan natin.
Tara! Sinong may gawa nito?
Yung boyfriend po niya!
Tawag ko na ambulansya at pulis, tol.
Sige, sige, sige!
Ano na ang nangyari dito?
Magandang araw po, sir. Sinaksak po sa ligat at tiyan.
Sino sumaksak sa biktima?
Boyfriend niya po, sir.
May ambulansya na ba dumating? Anong sabi nila?
Meron na po sir, ang sabi po nila ay patay na raw po ang biktima dahil sa dami ng dugo na nawala sa kanya.
Ang suko, dumating na ba?
Pupunta na po sir.
Sige, sige.
Ikaw ba ang kapatid ng biktima?
Opo, ako po.
Ikaw ba nakakita sa boyfriend ng biktima?
Opo.
Maaari ba kitang bidahan sa presinto at hingin na yung salaysay upang makatulong sa investigasyon?
Sige po.
Magandang araw po, ma'am. Maaari niyo po bang isalaysay sa akin ang iyong nakita?
Nakita ko pong sinaksak ni Angelo sa April sa tiyan at sa leeg.
Maaari ko pong malaman kung kaano-ano ng biktima ang suspect at kung kailan nangyari ang krimen?
Si Angelo po ay boyfriend ng aking kapatid at nangyari ang pananaksak noong bandang alas 3 ng hapon, May 16.
Maaari mo bang sabihin sa akin ang buong pangalan ng suspect?
Angelo Catulos, ma'am.
Maraming salamat po. Babalitaan po namin kayo sa susunod na araw at kung ano ang susunod niyo pong gagawin.
Sige po, maraming salamat. Isa po yung hingan?
Good afternoon, sir. Ako po si Staff Sergeant Jimers Bingkes. Nandito po ako para ibigay po ang complete photography Mariano. Apino ang brother at mga evidensya na po sa crime scene.
Ito na pala yun. Pwede maraming salamat sa magbigay nito sa akin.
Maraming salamat din po, sir.
Magandang araw po, ma'am. Ikaw po ba si Jonathan Mariano, kapatid ng biktima?
Ako nga po.
Maaari niyo po bang sabihin kung ano ang nangyari noong mga araw na nagawa ang krimen?
Ako po ay papunta ng dorm ng aking kapatid. At sa pagpasok ko po, ay nakita ko po na may hawak na kutsilyo si Angelo na ginamit niya pong pangsaksak sa aking kapatid.
So, sinabi niyo na pumunta kayo sa dorm ng iyong kapatid. Ano po ba ang gagawin niyo doon at bakit kayo pumunta sa dorm ng mga araw na iyon?
Bago pa po ang araw na iyon ay tumawag sa akin ang aking kapatid. Sinabi niya po na sinasaktan siya ng kanyang boyfriend sa tuwing umiinom po ito. At kaya pinuntahan ko siya dahil nag-alala po ako. At pagdating ko, yun po ang nakita ko.
So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa iyong kooperasyon at pagdalo sa aking investigation kayo.
Walang anuman po.
Good day, Your Honor. Ito na po ang mga impormasyon na ating nakalap batay sa ating preliminary investigation. Nandiyan na rin ang police investigation report, ang complaint ng biktima at ang autopsy report na ngayon ang ginamit ni Angelo Didang sa ito.
Maraming salamat, Attorney. Ako ay kontento na sa lahat ng impormasyon na iyong nakalap batay sa naisagawa mong preliminary investigation.
Maraming salamat kayo, Honor.
Sir, magandang araw. Saan po ba dito nakatira si Angelo Catolos?
Dito po sir. Dito po nakatira ang hinahanap ni sir.
Tao po, nandito ba si Angelo Catolos?
Angelo T. Catolos, you are being accused of murdering April T. Agno. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have you present while being questioned. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. You can exercise these rights at any time and not to answer any questions and or make any statement. Naintindihan mo ba mga karapatan mo, Catolos?
Opo. Good morning, attorney.
Oh, Angelo, ano ba ang ipaglilingkod ko sa iyo?
Narito po ako para humingi ng tulong sa iyo laban sa sinampang kaso sa akin.
Ano ba ang kaso mo?
Murder ko, pero hindi ko po sinadya. Ako ay lasing lamang ng nangyayari ng krimen. Tulungan niyo po ako, attorney, para hindi po ako makulong.
Sige, huwag kang mag-alala. Tutulungan kita, basta't sundin mo lang ang mga ipapayo ko sa iyo.
Maraming salamat po, attorney.
Wala nga naman.
Please all rise. Regional Trial Court, Branch Number 15, Honorable Christian Cano, presiding the court, is now in session. Silence is hereby enjoined.
Everyone, please take your seat. Is everyone in this court prepared for arraignment in criminal case 2001, People of the Philippines versus Angelo Catolos, who is accused of murder?
Ready to go, people, Your Honor.
I'm ready for the defense, Your Honor. Is the said accused in the court? Your Honor, Attorney Gonzalo Brent Villaverde, appearing counsel of the accused, Mr. Angelo Catolos, ready and present for the argument. Is the complainant present?
Your Honor, Attorney Diverjan Bendico, appearing counsel of the complainant, Jonathan Mariano, who's in the court.
Angelo Catolos, please stand. Does your counsel explain to you what you will transfer for today's arraignment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand English language? Or would you like to be arraigned in a language other than English?
I clearly understand English language, Your Honor.
Let's proceed with the arraignment. People of the Philippines versus Angelo Catolos. Criminal case 2001 for murder. Information. You are Angelo Catolos and you are being accused by the Filipino people in murdering April Agno. In addition, on May 16 around 11 a.m., you are drinking alcoholic drinks with your best friend named Glenn Caballes. And after you are went to the dorm and you are Angelo Catolos, have an argument with victim April Agno. As follows, around 3 p.m., when you stab April Agno, does the accused understand the nature of the accusation against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is your plea?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Ano? Anong sinasabi mo? Walang hiya ka! Pinatay mo ang kapatid ko! Minahal ka niya! Tapos ganyan lang ikalat mo! Walang hiya!
Order in the court. The accused entered the plea of not guilty. In order to lessen your offense, Angelo Catolos, are you willing to enter the plea of guilty?
Yes, Your Honor. But I am not myself in the crime offense. Since I got drunk, I didn't know what I'm doing. And I love the girl so much. So I beg for apologies. Patawarin niyo po ako.
Due to exculpatory evidence, the accused Angelo Catolos entered the plea of not guilty. Set this case on June 20, morning this current year. The session is adjourned.
Please all rise. All rise. The Honorable Christian Cano presiding. Silence is hereby enjoined.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is June 20, 2023. People of the Philippines versus Angelo Catulos for murder. This court is now in session. Is both parties ready?
Yes, Your Honor. The same appearance for the prosecutor. I am Attorney Diverjan Banti.
The same with me, Your Honor. Attorney Consultant Philipper, Defendant Counsel of the Accused.
Is the complainant ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Today's setting is a continuation for preliminary conference. This case murder is governed by the revised rule, procedures as to plea bargaining. Prosecution.
Your Honor, I believe that there is a possibility of plea bargaining or of settlement.
Your Honor, we confirm the manifestation of the public prosecutor, and on our part, we believe there's a chance for settlement.
Defense for proceed for proposal settlement.
Your Honor, we believe that the accused killed the victim, April Agno, but we would like to lessen the sentence of murder to homicide.
Is there any objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
If that's the case, let's proceed to the marking of identification of evidence for prosecution.
Will the defense admit the existence evidence? Our Exhibit 1, the police investigation report. Exhibit 2, the weapon used in the crime scene. Exhibit 3, the dead body of the victim. And lastly, Exhibit 4, the affidavit of the complainant.
What is the attorney of the defense as to the document extinguished and G execution?
Your Honor, all the documents mentioned by the prosecutor are admitted as to existence and due execution.
Any further manifestation of the defense counsel?
Your Honor, we request admission and marking of evidence of the following. Exhibit 1. Exhibit 1, the testimony of the seller where the accused brought the drinks on that day. Exhibit 2. The empty bottles of alcoholic drinks on that day. And Exhibit 3. The results after examining the accused shows that Angelo Catulos is an alcoholic drinker.
What can you say about this, counsel of prosecution?
Prosecution admit the existence and due execution of the evidence of the defense. Your Honor, we would like to propose for stipulations of the following items that this honorable court has jurisdiction over the crime committed.
We admit as to jurisdiction of this honorable.
That will be stipulation number 1.
Is the defense party admitted the identity of the accused, Angelo Catulos?
Yes, Your Honor. We admit the identity of the accused.
That would be stipulation number 2. How about the defense any proposal for admission?
We request admission, Your Honor. Do the prosecution admit that the victim and the accused have an argument at that time, and that the accused is drunk and not on his good mental state?
Admitted, Your Honor.
That would be stipulation number 3. Pursuant to AM 3-109 in C, the court is required to ask question with the objective limiting the number of factual issue to shorten the trial. Any statement on the issue to shorten the trial are not intended to favor any party. I believe one of the important issue is to determine the intention and the state of being of the accused. Can the defense show is this court the report of the examination of Angelo Catulos showing he is an alcoholic drinker?
Yes, Your Honor. We marked it earlier as exhibit number 3.
Is the prosecution see the said exhibit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Prosecutor, do you agree the result of the accused Angelo Catulos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any waiver or objection to the both parties?
I waive my objection, Your Honor.
I waive my objection, Your Honor.
By waiving the objection for the evidence, We shall set this case for the trial proper, and both sides should prepare their oral witnesses on July 5 this current year at 2 p.m. This session is adjourned.
All rise. All rise. Honorable Christian Cano, presiding. Silence is hereby enjoined.
Please be seated. All the case ready for trial.
Criminal case number 2001, People of the Philippines versus Angelo Matulos for violation of Article number 248 for the revised penal code, murder.
Thus both parties' witnesses are ready.
Ready, Your Honor.
Ready, Your Honor.
Prosecution.
We present in this honorable court the friend of April Agno, whose with Jonathan Mariano in the crime committed.
Prosecution witness, please come forward. Raise your right hand. Do you promise that the testimony you shall give before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help me God.
I do.
Please state your name.
Rihanna Joy Relatado.
You may be seated.
Ariana Joy Relatado, can you tell us what happened in the crime scene?
Yes, Your Honor. But what I am telling is based on what I saw. On that day, me and Jonathan Mariano, we both eat at a fast food chain. And April called her sister because she has something to tell. We went to the dorm, and we entering the dorm, we saw Angelo holding a knife with blood, and April laying on the floor with her blood. That is all I saw, Your Honor.
Your Honor, permission to question the witness.
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Ms. Relatado, what is your relationship with the victim?
We are best friends.
When the time you arrived in the door, do you hear any loud voices?
Yes, when we are walking, we both hear people who is arguing.
So both of you hear two people arguing. So you know that Angelo and April is the person arguing since there is no people on the dorm that they decided to.
Objection, Your Honor. The question is irrelevant.
Objection over you. Please answer the question.
I didn't know that the two people is April and Angelo, and I don't know that there's no only people in the dorm.
No further questions, Your Honor. The witness can go back to her seat. Does the defense have a witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Witness of the defense, please come forward. Please raise your right hand. Do you promise that the testimony you should give in this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help me God.
I do.
Please state your name.
Glenn Peter Caballos.
You may be seated.
Defense witness, can you tell in this court what happened on that day?
I was with Angelo drinking alcoholic drinks. We drink too much because Angelo saw this, because he saw April and Raylan hug each other, and he believes that there is something between the two.
Prosecution, is there any objection of the witness?
Permission to question the witness, Your Honor.
Proceed.
You said that Angelo was pissed because Raylan and Agno hug each other. Can you tell in this court that it is not the intention of the accused to kill the victim?
I will say that killing April is not his intention, because Angelo loved her so much, and just like I said, they are very drunk at that time. So I know that Angelo is not on his good mental state.
No further questions, Your Honor.
The witness can go back to his seat.
Where is our case, Your Honor?
Defense, when do you want to schedule the final judgment?
We would like to set the final judgment on July 7, 2023.
Is the prosecution available on that schedule?
Yes, Your Honor.
the final judgment on July 7 this current year. This session is adjourned.
All rise. All rise. Honorable Christian Cano, presiding silence is hereby enjoined.
You may be seated. For the promulgation and judgment, this court is now in session. Does both parties are ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
For the promulgation of judgment, criminal case number 2001, People of the Philippines versus Angelo Catulos for the violation of Article 248. We call the accused to come forward in criminal case number 2001, People of the Philippines versus Angelo Catulos, accused of murder. Considering the testimony of the witness, the both parties, and after thoroughly examination of the facts and circumstances, the court, with pertinent laws as defined as of Article 249 under Section 1 of the Act 3815, otherwise known as the Act Procurement of Omission of Another, and in the case of the accused, he accidentally killed the victim due to the intoxication. Therefore, I conclude Angelo Catulos is hereby guilty beyond reasonable doubt under Section 1, Article number 249, Act 3815, homicide. The accused will suffer the sentence for reclusion temporal, which is 12 years, 1 month, and 1 day. So ordered.
This session is adjourned.
Thank you, Attorney.
Magandang araw po. Bakit po kayo napadalaw?
Napadalaw kami kasi may gusto kami sabihin sa iyo.
Gusto ko lang malaman mo na mali ang inakala mo na may namamagitan sa amin.
Anong ibig mong sabihin?
Kapatid ko si April sama. Kaya gano'n lang kami komportable sa isa't isa. At mahal ko si April dahil kapatid ko siya.
Kung sana pinakinggan mo ang kapatid ko, hindi na sana umabot sa ganito.
Sana mapatawad niyo ako sa lahat ng nagawa ko.
Pinapatawad ka lang namin. Sana magsilbing aral din sa'yo.
Mahal ko si April at alam kong mahal ka rin ng kapatid ko. Pinapatawad na kita. Mag-ingat ka dito at alagaan mo sarili mo.
Maraming salamat po. Panginoon, patawarin niyo po ako sa mga nagawa kong kasalanan at sa mga taong naapektuhan nito. Sana patawarin din ako ni April. Pangako ko pong magbabago na po ako at pagsimula ng panibagong buhay.
Batay nga sa atol ng korte na reklusyon temporal, si Angelo Catulos ay nakulong ng 12 taon, 1 buwan at 1 araw. At ang pagkakakulong niya ang nagpabago sa kanya. Pagkakakulong na sana'y naiwasan kung siya ay nakinig sa kanyang kasintahan. Mga kababayan, sa pagmamahalan, dapat may pag-uunawaan at pagtitiwala sa isa't isa upang maiwasan ang ganitong pangyayari at upang sa huli ay wala kang pagsisisihan. Muli, ako po si Atty. Gian Rivera. Magandang araw.
Pre, may alam ka bang trabaho na pwede kong pasukan?
Oo, pre. Sa panadirin na alam ko, ibiging pa si manager doon.
Talaga, pre? Ang dami na kasing trabaho ng mayaw sa akin.
Huwag ka maglala, pre. Akong bahala sa'yo.
Magandang araw po. Ako nga po pala ang mag-apply sa inyong kalendarya. At ito po ang mga dokumento na kailangan ninyo.
Ikaw pala yung sinasabi ni Glenn sa akin. Dati ka palang nakulong.
Oo po. Pero nagbabagong buhay na po ako ngayon. Sana matulungan nyo.
Wala naman akong problema sa kung ano ang mga nakaraan mo. Basta ipakita mo lang na totoo ka sa mga sinasabi mo.
Opo, gagawin ko po.
Pwede ka na magsimula bukas.
Salamat po.
Ng ano man.
We are the Brooklyn. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe and like.